Back on we are. Ah, Troy, you were filming the whole time.
Oh, was I?
Yeah, 30 minutes.
Oh, you changed the camera.
Yeah, I think I did, didn't I? I never turned it off. Ah, you still got one battery there, Byron. Let's see how she goes. Right on, boys.
Oh, fuck man, that was funny.
What?
Oh, Phil's just going like this. It's like he's parting his hair, just pulling skeg off.
We're back, boys! This place has been just epic. 3 different types of skeg. We're doing a grass mat section. This stuff is kind of treacherous. Usually.
Oh!
Oh, yeah!
Oh, boys!
The 570's getting it, boys!
You know, she's gonna be
Look at her
juicy
go.
when he's dropping through.
Yeah, buddy! That was wicked! We're gonna let Steve hit it with the cams. Yeah, he is. Right there, buddy. Woo! Them T2s, man. She's turning up. There we go. There goes the neighborhood. Ouch. Oh, he's chewing already. He tried to get a run, but he's chewing right from the get-go. Oh, yeah. Holy shit. Yeah, you did, man. Wow, Phil. Wow!
I hit something good in there, man.
Wow, boys! That is done! That is ripped to shit! There's no way I'm gonna make it through that. But I'm gonna try.
Tommy throttle. You trenched it for him, didn't you? Fucking resistance takes a second to get the throttle up and around.
Oh, he's getting a good run on.
Fucking right.
I don't know.
Oh, he lost the momentum.
Wow, why does it I keep getting the shit end of her? Probably shouldn't have tried it to begin with.
Fucking right. I think he hit that one in high gear too. Fuck it, you back. I was bouncing out and back in. Out. No traction either.
That thing just goes in all the time.
Yeah.
Just barely goes.
Them outlaws, man. They got them horns that really swing some shit. Fucked up through there now, boys.
Oh, is it ever? That run was epic. Wow.
I had something good in there.
Get down.
They hit something. Like hard. I could feel the one tire. Don't know what tire it was, but she grabbed. I mean, she grabbed solid.
Yeah.
Hey Phil, is this focking within the lens?
Got one little spot.
And it's behind the lens, isn't it?
Yes. Just a dot.
Starting already.
Yeah.
I'm gonna shut it off and on.
Gotta cool down. It's a humidity, man. I can't believe I've never seen it this bad before. Wow. That shit is awesome. I knew she was sloppy. I knew she was sloppy when 1/4-inch treads were slinging shit.
I know. I can't do it.
Okay, right, bud.
All right, lead away.
Maybe 4-wheel drive was the ticket. These rocks are slippery, boys. No moss on the rocks. This place is excellent. All private property. About 5 minutes from my place. Yep. Got her all flagged out. Know all the routes, can't get lost. Might get stuck, but I don't think we're getting lost. The old 570 there, all heavy on the ass end, light front end. He just rolling through this stuff, staying right up on top. But there's something to be said for your stock bikes and having some fun and adventuring, boys. Like these bigger bikes will do it, but when you're having some fun and you're turning some tires, they do rip through some shit.
This one. She's soft, don't fool yourself. She's gnarly. Oh, we're back into that stuff. Hit her, man. Oh, shit. She's getting put through the fucking blender. Oh, yeah. Holy shit. Yeah. That was awesome.
That one I held it.
That was wicked.
That one I put water.
Well, I can tell you were causing trouble. Oh, you're gonna make it real hard on Steve. Oh, shit. Yeah, went to a tree.
You got her, Phil. Just give her a little bump because watch, all your weight's on your front, eh?
you got your work cut out for you, buddy. Yeah, like a renegade. Nice job, Steve. Nice job.
We gotta let him cool down, and we gotta get some actual water because I'm literally gonna start on fire.
They said there's water over there.
Is there? Fuck, boys. The slimy stuff, I held her right there to the floor.
Oh,
Yeah, I held her, and she goes down quick.
yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, he's in it. Oh yeah, there's water here. She's a whole nother consistency. Oh my Lord.
What the world? Holy fuck, he ain't letting out.
Well, if you were on fire, you're not now. Wow.
Just gotta get it and keep going.
She's fogging up. She's fogging up. Don't hit! Hey! Don't follow that! Don't follow. Yeah, take a new line. A new line, yeah. She's bad. I told you, take a different line. Oh, that's too funny, boys. We're gonna get Steve to hit the straight through one that I just chewed up a bit. He'll be good when he hits here. And he should scream right across here. Here he comes. Wow! Holy shit! He's still ripping it, boys! Listen to that Renegade! Buddy! That thing sounds violent! Wow! We'll let the boys get Tommy out of there. She's fogging up again. I gotta shut this down. Sorry, boys. Tommy couldn't do her on his Renegade. My brother's going to choose that path. Phil really ripped her with his high lifter. Let's see what happens. Holy shit!
Ow!
That RJ was screaming, man. That was pretty intense. You gotta get her to the popo there. Tommy's taking another run at her. Definitely this one. But Tommy, when you get there, go hard right.
Fuck, where'd you spin it to? I thought you were going back home before you let out.
I got hung up on me, but...
Yeah?
Oh, like a brick wall. Like a brick wall. Silverbacks have been taking an ass kicking all day. His back ones are wore down pretty good. I think that's part of the problem, and yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe the clutches might need cleaning. It's not biting quite like she should. Again, I'm gonna let you guys cool down just because I don't want picture going to shit. All right. Troy, is that camera still recording?
Yeah.
I'd like to change it, man, because
Well, come over here, because I got to do my axles like I'm right bunged.
well, good. I'd like to drop that comment. I'll fix you up, man.
I'm bunged right up to the nuts here.
Buddy, that was quite the run, man.